Very good morning to all of you. I am Manvinder Yadav sir from Success Point classes, and you are watching this video on YouTube channel Success Point with Manvinder Yadav. And with me today there are 4 participants. They are participating in group discussion, and we have very interesting topic: self-confidence versus knowledge. Which is better to have? So I expect to every participant, you all will give your 100% in this group discussion. First, you all will have to give your short introduction, then one by one put your views. So we start the group discussion from Akanksha Sengar. First participant, yes. First, give your short introduction.
Yes, sir. Good morning, friends. My name is Akanksha Sengar. I study in 3rd standard. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity. Today's topic is self-confidence versus knowledge.
Okay.
Good morning, friends. My name is Aisman Yadav. I study in 3rd standard. Now we discuss on the topic. The topic is that confidence versus knowledge.
Okay. Yes, Abhijit.
Good morning, sir and my friends. I am Abhijit Singh. I study in class 6th. Today I want to share my view topic for self-confidence versus knowledge.
Good morning, sir and my dear friend. First of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me wonderful opportunity to topic. My topic is self-confidence versus knowledge.
You have given your short introduction very well, and now I want to know your opinion. Now I want to know your point of view. What do you think about self-confidence or knowledge? Which is better to have? Okay, so one by one, guys, give your opinion. Okay, so first we start as Akanksha. Put your views.
According to me, self-confidence is better than knowledge, because I am a person who had a low self item and stage fright used to research a lot about the topic.
Okay, yes.
According to me, confidence is better to have, because knowledge is also important, but confidence in its way most important than knowledge, because if we have lot of knowledge, you express our knowledge.
Okay, so Ayushman, you are in favor of confidence, and you are
Favor of confidence.
both. What do you think about it?
According to me, self-confidence and knowledge both are better. Self-confidence is the key to success. A person with self-confidence can be seen a work done by that person. A person with self-confidence can alone face the biggest problems or challenges in his her life, and we should overcome your fears, weakness. We should overcome your fears, weakness to become self-confident. We have self-confident. The knowledge is come. If we don't have self-confident, the knowledge is not come. Knowledge is a familiarity. Knowledge is a familiarity and awareness to understanding of something or someone, such as facts, skills, or objects. If we have knowledge, we learn many things. We learn many things. If we don't have knowledge, we can't learn anything. If we have knowledge, the self-confidence is come. If we don't have knowledge, the self-confidence is not come. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, Abhijit Singh. You raised a very nice point. If we have knowledge, then self-confidence comes automatically. So without knowledge, according to your point of view, self-confidence is nothing. Self-confidence is worthless. I will ask a question later, okay? Okay, next. Now put your views.
I think confidence versus self confidence versus knowledge, both. So if confidence so not अगर if not knowledge, so you are two people not stand and not any question so not any question give me answer and you and if knowledge and not self confidence, so you are go any person and not talk with any person.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now you have put your views on the topic, and Akanksha Sengar and Ayushman Yadav, you are in favor of confidence, and Abhijit Singh, I think you are in favor of both knowledge and confidence. So knowledge and confidence both go parallel. I think knowledge and confidence both go parallel. So, okay, so very nice. And you also favor in both. Okay, so very good. Now time has come to discuss on the topic much. Now I want to know your more opinion about the topic. So Akanksha, what do you think? Which is better to have, confidence or knowledge?
Confidence is better.
Yeah, you already put your views, confidence is better. But now I want to know more about. Okay.
According to me, self-confidence is better than knowledge because my friend is very confident. Even thought she doesn't know fully about the topic, but she speaks fluently. So I think self-confidence is better.
Okay. Yes,
According to me, confidence is better than knowledge because if we have lot of knowledge, we express our knowledge to the people. So I think confidence is most important than knowledge.
So you repeated all the words. You have put your views, and same, you repeat the things. I want to know more about. Do you want to say something about confidence? Okay, no. Yes.
For example, who person knows can we sing a song very well, but no confidence, so his knowledge is best.
Okay, very good. Yes, Abhijit.
According to me, both are better, self-confidence and knowledge. If we have self-confidence, the knowledge is automatically come. The person have self-confidence. She can do anything, and in knowledge, if we have knowledge, the self-confidence is automatically come. If we have knowledge, we learn many things.
Okay.
I think self-confidence and knowledge both are better.
Okay, both are better. Yes. What do you think?
So he self confidence is better. He Ayushman.
Second participant.
A second participant told told self confidence is better. So he example.
You are agree? You
yes.
agree with
Not
second participant?
not agree. You are example ki singing a song is a
If somebody wants to sing a song on the stage, but he has no confidence, then knowledge is
not a better best.
okay. And so Nikhil Rajput wants to say, if we have knowledge, then we will go on the stage and we will communicate with anyone. If we don't have knowledge, we can't do anything. We can't speak English fluently and we can't do any other thing. Okay. So according to you, knowledge is better than confidence.
Then confidence. So knowledge अगर हमारे पास knowledge हो तो वो confidence आ जाए.
Yeah, and he thinks that if we have knowledge, then confidence comes. If somebody has knowledge, the person looks confident. If we don't have knowledge, we don't look confidence. Okay. So now, guys, time has to come to conclude the topic, and it is the very interesting topic, and it is never-ending topic. If we discuss 2 and 3 hours about the topic, then we can't stop it because we have so many ideas. Everybody knows knowledge is key to success. So without knowledge, nobody can't success. But confidence is also important for us. Without confidence, we can't perform on any places. If somebody has confidence, then he or she does his or her work very well. So now we want to conclude the topic, and I expect you will conclude the topic very soon. Okay, so first Akanksha Sengar.
I think self-confidence is good.
Okay.
Because we will go state, so we have ma'am say we will tell about two topic or introduction. So we have not confidence. So we don't speak to anything. So I think confidence is better.
Okay. And
According to me, confidence is better than knowledge. I think confidence is key of success, and many people say knowledge is also key of success. For example, my friend says knowledge is better, but I say knowledge is not better. Firstly, confidence is better than knowledge.
okay. Yes, sir. In very short time, conclude the topic.
I think both are better. Self-confident. If we have self-confident, we can do anything. For example, like we can say anything. So I think self-confident is better, and knowledge is also the key of success. Knowledge, if we have knowledge, we can learn anything.
Conclude the topic in very short time.
Okay. So example. For example.
For example.
Two person in talk with
Two person talk each other,
and I go there and sit. So one person talk me any question. So give answer.
Okay. So guys, this is very nice group discussion session, and all the participants have given their 100% in this group discussion, and these are the 4 kids, and they participated in this group discussion first time. Actually, we know knowledge is key of success, and without knowledge, confidence doesn't come. If we don't have knowledge, confidence does not come. So first, our priority is to get a knowledge. And we can't deny from this fact, confidence is not important. Confidence is also more important, because without confidence, we can't face the situations. As some students, some participants described in this group discussion, as Ayushman told, if somebody wants to sing a song on the stage and he doesn't have confidence, then he can't perform well on the stage. So that's very nice thing. And Abhijit Singh also favor in both. And this is the thing, knowledge and confidence both go parallel. We must have both things. We must have knowledge and we must have confidence. If we have both things, then we can do our work well. So, and I have already told about this. This is very nice. This is very interesting topic, and it is never ending topic. If we discuss on this topic 2 and 3 hours, then it will never be ended. So guys, now I appreciate your efforts, and you have given your 100% in this group discussion, and this was the very healthy discussion. So thank you so much. And guys, now clap for everybody. Okay. Thank you. And you also clap for yourself. In the last of the session, I want to say, if you like this group discussion, so please subscribe to my channel, Success Point with Manvind Yadav, and also share the video with your friends, relatives, neighbors, to everyone. Thank you so much.